Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to chat with emojis on Roblox. First, open the web browser and search for Roblox. Click to open its official website. Open a new tab and search for Web Store. Click on Chrome Web Store. Here, search for emoji. You'll find different extensions in the results. Click to open any of them. Now click on Add Extension. Once it is added to your web browser, go back to your Roblox profile. Click on the extensions icon to enable the extension. Pin this newly added extension. Now open the emoji keyboard. You'll find it on your top right corner. From here, you can add whatever emoji you want to add. After that, click on Messages on your left panel. Now open a chat and start using your chat emojis in Roblox. Thanks for watching and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.